Sustainable tourism has become increasingly important as travelers seek to minimize their environmental impact. To help travelers make informed decisions, various sustainable tourism certifications have been developed to verify that destinations, accommodations, and tour operators meet specific environmental and social standards. These certifications offer credibility, transparency, guidance, and encourage continuous improvement in sustainability efforts. 7 essential sustainable tourism certifications include 1. Global Sustainable Tourism Council, GSTC, sets global sustainability standards in management, socioeconomic, cultural, and environmental impacts. Green Globe recognizes businesses committed to environmental protection and social responsibility. EarthCheck measures environmental footprint and social impact in the travel industry. Rainforest Alliance focuses on biodiversity conservation and sustainable livelihoods. Biosphere Responsible Tourism aligns with the UN's Sustainable Development Goals for holistic sustainability. Green Key certifies accommodations with eco-friendly practices. Travelife certifies businesses with a focus on social responsibility and environmental conservation. These certifications vary in their focus, but all aim to promote sustainable practices that benefit the environment, local communities, and cultural heritage. By choosing certified sustainable options, travelers can support local economies, preserve cultures, protect ecosystems, and encourage innovation within the tourism industry. Ultimately, seeking out these certifications not only shapes the travel experience but also contributes to a more sustainable future for the planet.